In this lesson, you'll learn how to edit visits in the Walk-in Manager. In the Walk-in Manager, there are several ways to make changes after you've created a visit. When you right-click on a waiting visit, you can add the client to a group, and you can also change or add services. To remove a service, press the recycle bin next to it. You can then click on a service to add a new one. You can change the price of a service and change the employee. Click on Select Employee to change the employee. And simply click on the price to change it. You can change the client details, which will be the client's name or identifier. If the client doesn't mind which employee they see, you can remove the employee preference. You can choose a visit tag, delete a visit. You can also mark the client as a no-show. Once a client has been marked as a no-show, you can also undo the no-show. If the client has temporarily left the waiting area, you can mark the client as returning. Once they've returned to the waiting area, you can mark them as waiting. And you can reprint the visit ticket. When you move a visit from waiting to in-service, you'll be presented with a confirmation window. Again, you can click on Select Employee to change the employee, and you can also change the price. If a client has been moved to in-service but they're actually still waiting, you can easily move them back to the waiting section. When a client is in service, you can right-click on them to edit the visit. You'll get many of the same options as before, but you'll also have the options to finish and check out the visit. If a client has been marked as finished but they're actually still in service, you can right-click and change them back to in service. Now that you know how to edit visits in the Walk-in Manager, you can update visit information as required.